let's talk about the automation thing, because I think this is a point of confusion. A lot people have been talking about AI for, the last 7, 8, 9, even 10 years in some cases. Um, and a lot of people confuse the concept of AI with automation. And there is overlap for sure between automation and AI. But what we had with ProLine is we built a very strong automation platform initially from day one. And then around that, we built a powerful CRM platform. And then there were elements of the automations that use some AI machine learning stuff to, for example, like optimal time. But this isn't drastically different than there's a lot of different automation platforms out there, and almost all CRMs will say they have automation, right? But automation is different than AI in that AI is a lot more flexible. So if you think of automation, it's you're creating a recipe for, I want this to happen. When this happens, I want this to happen, and this to happen. Whereas an AI solution is going to be able to be deployed in a variety of situations and is going to be able to make decisions around what actions to take based on the environment. For example, if an AI tool is answering a phone call, then it's going to be able to make the decision: is this a qualified prospect or not? Should this be scheduled for an appointment? And if it's scheduled for an appointment, when should it be scheduled? With which team member? Tied to which location? These are the things. There's a lot of nuanced sort of branching logic, and that's what AI is really good at. And so that's sort of the transition that we've seen over the last few years, is as AI has, this AI hype has been going on for a couple of years now. It's around that ability to have a tool that can intelligently make a lot of different decisions based on the context. And when this first sort of came on the scene, ChatGPT launched, everybody was talking about it. We intentionally at ProLine held back. We didn't want to jump on that train too soon because it was the Wild West, and it's still the Wild West. However, there's some trends that are emerging now to where what we're seeing is there's a right and a wrong way to deploy AI within a contracting business. And we're seeing that if you deploy it the right way, it's extraordinarily effective. And we're seeing our existing customers start to deploy AI in ways that we see as being both repeatable and makes sense to have be part of a CRM infrastructure.